On a 2013 Dodge Dart. Instead, I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from driver's side, we'll go down, find this lever to pull. That pop sound, if you could hear it, was the hood safety releasing. Back behind here, you should see a cable here. If that's not attached, you'll need to fish around and find it and get this reattached and tightened again. Up here, in most vehicles, there's a lever towards the middle. This one we're going to push and lift. Push and lift. Here's where it was hooked onto. This is what this part looks like. Make sure everything's attached properly and tightened. No debris stuck in here. Maybe some WD-40 to loosen it up. Make sure nothing's bent out of place. Make sure your hood's aligned straight, because if it's crooked, that would cause issues. But otherwise, I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.